never the one to write up a song for just anyone. I was always the one to find myself lost in long conversations, oh. Cause I've always been told that things will unfold if you keep on waiting. But then you came along and proved me all wrong. I was so mistaken. Cause you glue all the pieces back together. Yeah, you take all my wrongs and make them better. Yeah, you're making me wanna try forever. And I feel so free, oh my sweet baby.
Hey guys, good morning. I probably look like a hot mess. Yeah, I'm just gonna start the video off by saying I'm probably going to be looking like a hot mess in this video. Today is Friday, November 12th, 2021. It is my husband's birthday today. Happy birthday, Adam. And it's also a very interesting day. I figured I might as well start this video because I'm not sure how things are going to go, but I do think I am almost in early labor. So I decided that it is time I start the birth vlog just so I capture enough of this time. Before this, I was trying to document like final weeks of pregnancy since I turned 37 weeks 4 days ago, but based on the look of things, it's not gonna be weeks of pregnancy. It's gonna be days or probably hours. So I decided to scrap that and then start the birth vlog. So welcome to the birth vlog of Baby Flex. Right now I am having a lot of contractions. I have been having contractions since Tuesday, and today is Friday. Well, not Tuesday, since Wednesday, and today is Friday. My doula seems to think that I might go into active labor tonight or possibly over the weekend. Basically, she's saying that chances are we're having a baby this weekend based on how things have been going. So on Wednesday afternoon, I went for a very heavy brisk walk. I did brisk walking, I did curb walking, I drank raspberry leaf tea. I also, why is this size? This is so small. What's this? I drank raspberry leaf tea and I ate dates. See, I still have even some dates right here. Still trying to eat them because they taste so gross. You know, just trying to prepare my body for labor and birth and all of that. And then in the afternoon, I came in, had a meeting with my doula, and then shortly after that I started having contractions. I didn't know it was contractions at first because obviously this is my first baby. I have no idea what to expect, but what I felt, I immediately thought, is this a contraction? And it continued, so I gradually understood that it was actually a contraction. So that's been happening. And then yesterday I lost some of my mucus plug, like a lot. It's some of it, but the amount that I got was still a lot. And then contractions have been like pretty much on since last night. It kind of wavered a bit, like at like maybe like 12 a.m. last night or so. It kind of slowed down, but then it picked up again this morning, and I have been having consistent contractions all morning long. It's like 9:50 a.m. right now, and I was woken up by contractions at around 8:15. so it's been going on for quite some time. So this is Baby Flex's birth vlog. Can't believe we're having a baby. I am laboring in my house right now. My husband is at work, but he is waiting on me to say, you know what, you gotta leave and come home. Oh, contraction. That was intense. I am currently making breakfast. Let me bring you guys with me. And yeah, I am a granny. Oh my goodness. Anyone text? No. Yeah, so the contractions, they're pretty painful, but I think I'm dealing with them very well at this point. I am managing to breathe through all of them, and even though they're intense, I wouldn't say it is like painful enough to kill me. You know what I mean? But I know it only gets more intense from here. But if you follow me on Instagram, let me set you guys down and talk to you. Talking to you while I make my breakfast so that everybody can be happy. If you follow me on Instagram, then you know I have been manifesting. Can you see me? Okay. You know I have been manifesting a pain-free birth. And I'm not saying this for people to come at me in the comments. Like, there's so many research out there on pain-free birth and physiological birth and all of that stuff. And that is the kind of birth experience I'm trying to manifest for myself at the moment. So I am trying to maintain calm spirits, and I'm trying to use my breath to manage the contraction. So instead of like how did I in Jamaica we would say make up your face, but instead of doing like when the contractions are happening, I am consistently just relaxing my face and using my breath to get through the contractions, and that should provide me with somewhat of a birth that I can tolerate, instead of a birth where I am not having a good time. You know what I mean? So yeah. And pain-free birth does not mean labor and childbirth does not come with pain. It is really how you manage all of that situation. And the first thing is not to label it as pain. It's just intensity, you know, the intenseness of what's happening here. That is really what is referred to as pain-free birth. So instead of saying contractions are getting painful or contractions are getting worse, we use words like contractions are getting more intense, contractions are intensifying, you know. And instead of screaming, using our breath to really deal with the contractions and sending baby down into the pelvis. So I'll be here for the entire day. I am still timing my contractions, watching everything, waiting for that moment where I can text my husband and say, you know what, you need to come home because I need a bit of an extra support to get through the contractions. Because we have been learning other techniques too, like labor exercises and stuff. I'm back. Yeah, Adam and I have been learning labor movements and stuff like that for when contractions get more intense and stuff like that. So once it gets to a point of intensity where I can no longer like be by myself and I need the extra support for like counter pressure and all of that, then I'll need Adam to be inside this house. But for now, it's like after 10. I'm hoping he can get through the work day without having to rush home because, you know, time is money. But I'm I'm still watching to see if I'll be needing him at home sooner. So far the breathing is getting me through it real nicely, and I am having belly pains and not more so back pain, so I'm not really ready for counter pressure just yet, but we'll see how it goes. I am going to have my breakfast, which is macaroni and cheese, something very light, because honestly no grocery shopping has been done and I need to eat something to manage all of this. So I will be updating you guys throughout this video. Welcome to Baby Flex's birth vlog, and yeah, I hope you enjoy it. I don't know who enjoys, like, I don't know what to say in this video because I've never made a video like this before, and even though I've watched so many of them, it still feels surreal that this one is mine. So come along for this journey with me. Shall we? The next time I walk through this door, I'll have a son. We'll have a son. Ah, my God. We're heading to the hospital. Hey guys, so I did not get to update you all on everything that has been happening, but a lot has been happening. As you can see, I am fully gowned in my hospital robe, all of that stuff, and basically we are just waiting to be fully dilated. Right now I'm 3 centimeters. I've been here for like maybe 4 hours at this point, and I've been at a 3. So things are not moving steady. Well, things are moving steady, but things are not moving as fast as I would like it to go. So my hospital does not offer epidurals. I am doing this unmedicated, and I have researched a ton on how to birth like a boss, and my husband says I'm doing good so far, but to be honest, I don't think I am. I'm in pain, y'all. I'm in pain. I'm trying to keep it together, to be honest. But I'm just going to show you like a little tour of our room. It's very comfortable here, to be honest. The nurses, the midwives are so nice. I couldn't have asked for a better situation, but I wish there was some pain relief in all this mix.
So we've been here at the hospital for about 3 hours. At first we were in like a preliminary room for about an hour. Then we got moved into this grand room. Pretty nice space. And in terms of progress, I think we're making good progress. We're not yet in dire advanced labor, but we're in the beginning stages, the beginning of the serious stage. So yeah, 3 centimeters, you know what that means? 2 minutes per contraction. It's 2 for 2. 2 minutes apart, 2 minutes long. So I think contraction wise we have progressed a far way, but centimeter wise we might need to step it up a few notches. But yeah, things have been fairly smooth. Natay seems to be in a bit of discomfort, just a little bit of pain, but not too much. So yeah.
I'm in a lot of pain. I don't know what he's talking about. I'm dying right now. I'm dying, y'all. Oh my god. I have also thrown up like at least 3 times already. I just want to throw up everything. Every time I have a contraction, I feel nauseous. So that is where we're at. Of course, we'll keep you guys updated if we can get around to the camera, that is, because vlogging a birth vlog is way harder than I thought. I don't know how the YouTubers. Oh,
That's where we end this
oh.
section of the vlog. Thank you for watching.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. All the good times just begun. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. We don't need no more. Even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm. Before I sleep, hear the crickets sing. Side by side and through and through. No limit to what we can do. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight.
I lose my breath whenever I see you. You stole my heart, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon needs the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I don't know what I'd do without you. You make me smile, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon is the snow, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on I don't know what it is you do. I just want you, I just need you. I don't know what it is you do. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you.